Hey, what's going on, Learn How to Draw Hub crew? I'm your host, Nathan Johns. Now, today we're going to be learning how to draw Vaporeon from Pokemon. I'm excited. I hope you guys are as well. But one more thing, if you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. Awesome. Let's go down to the strong. Let's go see what we can come up with. So for the first step making our Vaporeon, we're going to begin by making a small V-like shape. So for this V-like shape, we're going to end up making a big triangle-like shape. This will be on the top of Vaporeon's head. Fantastic. Now underneath of that big triangle-like shape that we just made, we're going to begin to make one big V. Awesome. Now for the next step, on each side of the cone, we're going to make one curved line coming out. Now down below, we're going to make one curved line coming out from each side of our V. Well, this is getting kind of crazy because we're making a lot of curved lines. So we're going to move back up to those curved lines that we previously made. So we're going to make another big curved line on each side coming out from the first curved lines that we made. Fantastic. Now for this next step, we're going to finish the outline of our Vaporeon's face. Now we're not going to finish the face of our Vaporeon just yet. Instead, we're going to move up top. We're going to connect these big curved lines to the face of our Vaporeon. Awesome. Now for this next step, we're going to move to the top of our Vaporeon's head. We're going to make something similar to a wave. Now below what we previously connected to our Vaporeon's head, we're going to make one line coming down, and then it's going to curve into the head. We're going to do this on each side of our Vaporeon. Whoa, this is coming along very well. Now if you remember that wave-like shape that we made at the top of Vaporeon's head, we're going to do the same thing but down below. Now we're going to go ahead and add some curved lines on the left and right side of our Vaporeon's head. Now we're going to add some small straight lines on the top and bottom. Fantastic. Now down below the head of our Vaporeon, we're going to make one curved line on each side. Now this will be the beginning of the torso. This looks absolutely awesome. Now for this next step, we're going to begin to make the feet of our Vaporeon. We're going to connect these feet to those curved lines that we just made. Now on each foot, we're going to make two small lines. Now on the left and right side of the torso, we're going to make similar to C-like shapes. They will be placed right above the feet of our Vaporeon. Now directly below each C-like shape that we just made, we're going to add 1 foot directly below it. And we'll want to go ahead and add 2 small lines in these as well. Now let's hop on over to the right side and do the same thing that we just did on the left. So on the right side of our Vaporeon, we're going to begin to make a very big tail. Now on the right hand side, we're going to make one big curved line. On the top of this line, we're going to add in jagged edges. Now below this, we're going to begin to add in another big curved line. We're going to make Vaporeon's tail look similar to a mermaid's tail. Okay, so we're almost finished, but we're not finished just yet. So we're going to move into the face of our Vaporeon. We're going to make a small dot for the nose. Now above this nose to the left, we're going to make the first shape for our Vaporeon's eye. Now we're not going to fill in this eye just yet. We're going to move a little bit over to the right, and then we're going to begin to make the exact same shape that we just did on the left hand side. Now directly below the nose of our Vaporeon, we're going to add in a mouth. So this will be kind of like two U-like shapes put together. Awesome, now for the last step, we're going to finish the eyes of Vaporeon. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. This is How to Draw Vaporeon. Now let's go color in our character together.